Johnny Bodegas and I'm a member of SWA Ultimate since February 2012. My goal right now while I'm sharing this opportunity to you is that first I want to disturb you in a sense you have to realize something very important in life. Second, I want to motivate you that you must have hope in the future regardless of what your situation right now. So, diretsahan, malaki bang 2.5 o maliit? Sa mga nagsasabing malaki, the moment na may nag-offer sa iyo na yung opportunity na 10,000 to 20,000 na kikitain mo, i-grab mo na kagad. Pero in reality, minsan hindi tayo nakakaipon at minsan kinakapos pa tayo sa budget. Minsan yung iba sa atin ay na magdagdag o kaya maghanap ng opportunity. Kasi nga hindi natin linya o kaya ma-pride tayo dahil nakagraduate na tayo. But my next question is, you settle with what you earn right now, that's good. But what about your family? Are they happy of what the lifestyle you are giving to them? Or baka yung income mo, para lang sa'yo sapat? Di ba nga, ba't ba tayo nagtatrabaho? Di ba, para naman sa kanila? Ang pamilya mo ba masaya? Lahat naman tayo gusto may ibigay yung masarap na buhay para sa kanila. O sawa na kaya sila sa hirap? Yan yung reality, tama. Gusto mo ba talaga umasenso? If you always do what you've always done, you will always get what you've always got. Ibig sabihin, pag wala kang binago sa ginagawa mo ngayon, 10 years from now, yung nakukuha mo ngayon, yan din yung makukuha mo by that time. Sa mga nagsasabi namang maliit yung 2.5, yes, maliit yung 2.5, pero di mo ba alam na sobrang dami ng nabagong buhay ng SWA Ultimate dahil sa 2.5 na yan? So, come to think of it, what if your money, you will put it in a bank, or iwanan mo for 1 year, kasi ayaw mo nga i-invest dito, ayaw mo mag-risk. Ang tanong, magkano ang interest na tutubuin ng pera mo? Ni baka nga burger meal, hindi makabili yung interest, di ba? Let me advise you one thing. Don't ever regret on money that you will invest here in this program. Alam mo kung bakit? Before ako dun sumali sa SWA, walang-wala naman talaga akong pera. Yung pinang-join ko, pinanghiram ko pa. Then, that time talagang yung pera ko hundreds na lang. Wala rin akong work that time. Pero, I took the risk na sumali sa SWA. You know what? Life is really exciting if you take the risk. Life is boring if you don't take the risk. At di ko akalain na yung risk na ginawa ko nun, yun na pala yung sagot para maabot yung mga pangarap ko. Through SWA, minsan yung iba sa atin, sobrang daming rason ba't tayo naghihirap o kinakapos. Walang increase yung company ko, mahina ako, hindi ako magaling dyan, at kung ano-ano pang rason meron tayo. So, paano ko talaga asenso niyan pag puro ka rason? Always remember that you can either make money or excuses, but you can never make money out of your excuses. So now, let me advise you, change the way you think, change your mindset about money, and dream big again. Let me ask you this question. Who is stopping you to earn 100,000 per month? Is it your job or yung pinagkakakitaan mo? Simple lang, magdagdag ka. Then seek for opportunity. Lumabas ka, maghanap ka. Dagdagan mo yung pinagkakakitaan mo. Why settle for less if God prepared your life for the best? You really have to seek for opportunity. You know what? The greatest achievement that I have in this program is that it's not the money at all that I've earned, but the fulfilled purpose na maging channel ka ng blessing para sa iba or para sa'yo. Yun yung kagandahan na habang ginagawa ko to, nagiging blessing ako dun sa ibang tao. Na talagang nababago ang buhay ng mga taong sumasali dito. Right now, grabe lang kasi, nakaka-amaze kasi yung mga nagtiwala at naniwala noon at sumali dito sa program, sila na rin mismo kumikita ngayon. Wherein almost 100 people na ang kumikita ng 100,000 in just few months lang sa program. At the same time, almost 1,000 people wherein kumikita ng extra income na 10 to 20,000 per month on top of their earnings, bukod pa dun sa mga trabaho nila. Na ito, ginagawa lang nila sa spare time nila or nasa bahay lang sila.
Actually, aside from me, there are people who earn much than I do. My achievements here in SWA Ultimate is just a small piece of cake compared to them. To name a few, I have here Francis Javier, wherein he is the first member who joined SWA Ultimate and a co-founder of this program, that even for 16 years of his experience in network marketing, he only tastes the word time freedom in this opportunity. And in less than a year, he had his ultimate pickup, Toyota Hilux, and he can be with his family 24/7. He can have quality time with them, at the same time enjoying the financial success and time freedom here in SWA Ultimate. And the next, I have here my friend Jeffrey Perez, who shared this opportunity to me. I am really thankful to this man who shared this program. Before, he is just an easy-go-lucky guy and addicted to computer games, but to his achievement, who would have thought that this undergrad person can really be a millionaire at home? When this opportunity started, he earned almost $1,000 in just 2 weeks. And in all gadget incentives in SWA, all of the incentives he always qualified. First, Samsung G Note. Second, Sony Vaio laptop. Third, D5100 Nikon DSLR camera, all for free as Achievers incentives. He managed also to renovate his entire house, and the latest and ultimate achievement that he had, he is the first member in SWA Ultimate to have his own car through this online program. An Isuzu Crosswind, definitely an ordinary person who is really earning extraordinary income, a total of 1.2 million in just less than a year. And lastly, my friend as well, Romel Aguas, wherein take note, after he joined SWA Ultimate, he is the only person to earn almost $2,000 in just 1 month right after he joined. He bought also 2 iPhone 4S, an Unstoppable's amazing result that in just less than 6 months, he earned 350,000 pesos without even going out to work. This opportunity is really for everyone, whoever you are, from ordinary people who can have the chance to earn extraordinary breakthroughs only here in SWA Ultimate.
On the other side, yung achievements on the earnings namin dito sa SWA is just the bonuses na nakukuha namin. Ibig sabihin lang nun, why we earned a lot in this program is because God provided us this opportunity wherein giving us the ability to produce wealth. And at the same time, the reason why we are sharing this opportunity is that we want to share the blessings that we have in this program. And we will never get tired in spreading and sharing this opportunity and giving hope to others as well. Dito sa SWA, you know what? We only share opportunity. It's up to you. Kung mag-join ka, if di ka interested, okay lang. At least you share this opportunity to you. So, ibig sabihin, sumali ka man o hindi, tuloy-tuloy kami. Nasa sa'yo yung desisyon. But, let me advise you to be bold enough to take the risk. Kumbaga, yung 2.5 na yan, pera lang yan. Pwede mo rin yung kitain bukas, next week, next month, pagkasahod mo. Pero yung oras, na ito ngayon, nakikita mo na yung opportunity. Once na pinalagpas mo pa, yung oras di mo na mababalik. Who knows, once you try this, maybe you will earn more than what we achieve. Unsolicited advice, this is very important. I want you to realize that you have the potential to become successful in life, regardless of what your situation right now. Regardless of what your past is, regardless kung ano man yung nararanasan mo ngayon, you have to believe in yourself that you can do something extraordinary and believe God that He will bless you in whatever you do. And it is okay if you let this opportunity pass you by. But one thing, the next opportunity that comes your way, regardless whatever it is, you must grab it. You know what? There is no such thing as overnight success. You have to try and try. You may fail sometimes, it's normal. It's not how many times you fail that matters, but it's about how many times you get up and move on, living your life to the fullest.
Lastly, I want to leave you with these important messages. First, you have to trust God that He is right now answering your prayers, that you are here right now, spotting the right opportunity. So all you have to do is act on it and join ASA. Second, all you have to do is trust yourself and believe in yourself that you can really earn big as well, like we do. Or who knows, you can do better than us and earn much more than what we earn if you will just try this program. Third, trust SWA Ultimate that God will be using this program to be the channel of blessing for you. You are so blessed in just watching this video. You know why? In SWS report as of the moment, more than 14 million Filipino graduates struggling to find a job. So this is the right opportunity for you to grab, that you don't need a lot of requirements like diploma, transcript of records, to graduate in reputable schools, NBI clearance, and a lot more. Because what you really need to do is just join. Regardless who you are very much welcome as long as you are the person who wants to become successful. The best thing I like in this opportunity is that we don't have discrimination, because even deaf and mute people are welcome to join, and giving them hope to become successful as well. That's the best thing we can share to them through this program. Lastly, trust your SWA family, that we will be your business partners, most especially the person who shared this video to you. Actually, in this opportunity, it's just a matter of trust. I am not here to ruin my name for the sake of 2,500 pesos. Actually, I have here proof of payments of the people who joined already, and I extend my thanks for those who trusted me to process their payments. These are the payment proofs through M. Luwilier, Cebuana Luwilier, and Western Union, wherein the total amount of the payment is more or less 400,000 pesos, or 100 to 150 people who really trusted me. But if you have still doubt, and you don't trust me or this opportunity, it's okay, I respect that. But if you will give us your trust, you are very much welcome to be the next in line in this program.
So maybe some of you will ask kung Johnny, madali ba yan gawin or mahirap gawin? So to tell you, hindi siya madaling gawin. Itong business natin, itong SWA Ultimate, parang business mo rin yan. Parang trabaho mo rin yan. For example, yung business mo, hindi mo binuksan for almost a month. Ibig sabihin, in 1 month, wala ka rin kita. Pag yung trabaho mo, hindi ka pumasok for a week, umabsent ka, automatic, kaltas sweldo, wala ka rin kita. So dito sa business natin, kailangan mo rin trabahuin. May gagawin din tayo. Then, some of you, mahirap ba gawin yan? Hindi rin. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi, all you need is to have the internet. PC or laptop, then you're good to go to run your business. Ang kagandahan pa dito, pwede mo siyang gawin na nasa bahay ka lang. Kaya ako, nasa bahay lang ako. Pwede mo gawin sa office mo. Or kahit saan pwede mo gawin as long as you have the internet access. Then, the next thing is that hindi rin siya mahirap kasi hindi mo na kailangan magpumila sa MRT, makipagsiksikan, pagpasok, tsaka pag-uwian. Walang transportation expenses. Pagkagising mo, pwede mo na siyang gawin. Sobrang laking benefits. Kumbaga, itong SWA Ultimate program, it is really perfect for those people na gusto umasenso. At the same time, they have that time freedom. Kumbaga, yung SWA Ultimate, sakto lang. Sakto lang siya wherein sa sakto na yon, saktong trabaho, saktong effort, but then, you will have that extraordinary income. Pwede mabago buhay mo. You have the time freedom to be with the family. Kahit kailan pwede mo gawin, madaling araw, gabi, umaga. At the same time, you have that potential na pwede ka umita ng malaki. Sa saktong effort lang. So, kagandahan pa dito, hindi mo naman kailangan mag-resign sa ginagawa mo ngayon or itigil yung mga ginagawa mo. May business ka or may trabaho ka, estudyante ka. Hindi mo kailangan itigil. All you have to do is add this opportunity. Dagdag mo lang. At the same time, syempre, gaya ng sinabi natin, pag may dinagdag ka, may dagdag income din. So, ganun yung bottom line ng business natin. Alam mo, kung pwede nga lang yung mata ko, ipahiram ko sa'yo, yung utak ko, ipahiram ko sa'yo, kung gaano ko nakita itong SWA Ultimate, para makita mo rin, para after mo mapanood tong video na ito ngayon, join ka na kagad. Kontakin mo na kagad yung referrer mo para kausapin mo na siya kung paano yung next step. Hoping that you will be part of the SWA family. So, thank you and God bless. Looking forward for you to be here in SWA. Be the Superman here in SWA. Join us now.